Okay, now I'm going to need to add this extra information about food and drink. So I've entered in some types of drinks, how much it costs to buy for each unit, and how many I'm going to buy. Now this cost price per unit, I need to format that, so I'm going to change it into dollars and cents. I should have done this anywhere where there's any monetary value, and my total cost is going to be the cost price per unit multiplied by the number purchased. And once I've got that in, I can use the fill handle to drag that down to fill in all the additional features. Total, much the same as we've done in the past. Sell price, so how much I'm going to sell it for. So I might say I'm going to sell it for $1, $1.50. Once again, I need to format that. This time let's just estimate how many we're going to sell. Obviously you can't sell any more than you have. What I would recommend is you try and work out a way to calculate that. Note this number sold has now converted into numeric form. If I want to just change it back, I'm going to just choose general, and it formats it back as a normal number. I can also do that going through format cells and the number option there. Total profit is revenue minus the cost. You can drag those down, and obviously with that we can add those up as well. So we can now see how much money we're actually making in total from the food and drink.